What's going on, YouTube? I tried to get outside, do some stuff around the yard, but weather. I am planning on doing the product review of the brooder tomorrow if the rain holds out. But right now, I'm doing research, so to speak. See how he's got his set up as far as like his chicken and his pigs. I'm learning about the electric fences, what goes into that, all kind of stuff. This won't be a 5-minute video or nothing like that. I'm just trying to give everybody an update. It's raining right now, so I can't do much outside. So I'm trying to learn as much as I can, do what I can as far as research, learning stuff. So y'all have a blessed day. Like I say, any advice, suggestions, information, I'm always open to. Man, we're all in this together, y'all. Share what you know. Y'all have a blessed day.